Hi ChatGPT.
Hi, Ozzy.
I have a half jar of mixed fruit jam. What can I bake with this that is easy, quick, and delicious?
Here's a special recipe for you. Easy thumbprint cookies with jam.
Wow, looks delicious. Let's give it a try.
First, we melt 100 grams of butter. After it cools down, add it into a mixing bowl. Add a quarter cup of sugar and mix until it begins to dissolve. This also helps cool the butter before adding the egg. Then add 1 egg and whisk with a hand mixer until the mixture lightens in color. Then we add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix again until everything is well combined. Time to add 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. I always prefer to add the flour by sifting it, but this is not necessary. If you don't have a sieve, just sprinkle it in. Mix everything well until fully combined. The batter is a bit looser than it should be at the moment. Let's add another half a cup of flour, like in the recipe. It's always important to add the flour in parts. That way we can control the texture and avoid making the dough too hard or too dry. Yes, the consistency looks perfect to me now. Now, let's make little dough balls. Something like this is fine. But I love to use an ice cream scoop for cookies. It helps make them equal and quick, but again, not necessary. Now we make a hole in them.
You press your thumb right into dough. It's like giving each cookie a little bit personality.
Let's fill them up with some jam. I find it important to make sure the edges rise high enough so the jam doesn't pour out. After we fill them all up, our jam cookies go into the preheated fan oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. Here it is. Look at this beauty.
Ooh, a bit hot.
As you can see, the jam hasn't run outside. The moisture in the jam evaporates and the sugar thickens. So after baking, it doesn't run or turn hard, it stays just right. Let's taste them and see if they're as good as they look.
Can you imagine the smell? Let me try some for you. Super delicious. Crispy edges, soft in the middle. It's sweet, fruity, and just perfect. It is so good. Yummy.
If you would like to see me again, please subscribe and give the video a like. Please don't be shy, just say hello in the comments. Also let me know where are you watching from. See you next time!